Hello teachers, this video is going to demonstrate how at the elementary schools the teachers will post the midterm rubric scores for your science class. So once you've logged on to your Infinite Campus account, make sure you're on the new campus instruction side, and then you will click on the Post Grades link. Once you're there, make sure you're in the science section, you're on the correct term, and then make sure that you're on the correct standard that you need to post the grades for. Notice in the task box you have midterm standards down at the bottom. There's 4 choices, so you'll be posting 4 different rubric scores in your science class. So I'm going to start with my observe and measure, and then I will need to click on the fill percent button. I'll make sure I showed you that. I pretty well just clicked on it. It's this button here that's labeled fill percent grade and comment. So I'll click on that. I want to put a check mark in the grade box, and then I want to select the grade that most of my students are going to be getting. We're going to hit most of the students this way, and then all I need to do is leave the filter on all and click fill. You'll get a box that's asking you, are you sure? Do you want to continue? And just click OK. And then all of my students' grades got filled with an SS for secure and standard. If I need to change one of the students to something else, let's say I need to change this student to developing standard, then all I have to do is just manually expand their grade pull-down menu and go select that grade. And once all of the grades for my students look correct, then all I have to do is click on the Save button. Once I've saved, that's posting for my observe and measure midterm. So then I would need to switch to the next midterm, which would be classify, and go through that same process again. Fill button, give everybody the most common grade, click on the fill, say OK, and then the grades get populated in. You'll need to do that process 4 times in your science class. So that's how an elementary teacher posts their science rubric scores in an Infinite Campus gradebook.